let's be serious for a second. I don't like losing drag races, but this car has DCT. It's got launch control. It's got NGS. I really should take this one. I hope so, at least. He's revving out like every other Civic owner, so hopefully he loses like most Civic owners. Just kidding, I love you all. Let's go.
Oh, I'm gonna crush him. Oh, we're gonna, well, windows up. Hang on a sec, I gotta put the windows up here because it's all about the aerodynamics. And, okay, David, let's see what's going on here. So he's got the automatic, I got the manual, so here we go. Here we go. I don't know what he's gonna do here, this is gonna be awesome. Oh my God, he's slow at everything. We'll lose this too? Is he gonna lose? So what a Honda Nation out there, what do you think's gonna happen? I think I kind of got what's gonna happen, how I'm gonna launch. Try about 3,000, keep it there, listen for the wheels. It'll be hard with that. Good.
Wait.
Jesus.
I want to make sure I have this freaking launch control ready.
Oh, he's got to use launch control. Ooh, launch control.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, he's got to use launch control. Okay, that was funny. I missed the last shift.
Thanks for that.
Okay, that was pretty close.
Yes, it was.
That's close. Good smile there. We could almost have a little conversation as we're going along. And then I missed a shift, so you almost got me.
So here's the thing, that was pretty close. Let's get her done, yeah?
Let's try that again.
I have no launch control this time. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I have no launch control and no overboost.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
No push to pass?
Nothing. Bye.
Oh, he's gonna get me on this one. Bogged off the line a lot worse that time. Second gear shift wasn't bad that time, but because I bogged more off the line that time, he just got his nose ahead of me. And as soon as his nose ahead of me, I was coming up on him at the very end, but no. So, congratulations for finally winning one!
Yay!
Okay, it's not bog off the line this time. Why? That was a huge jump.
That one was, what? Jump on what?
You went way before her car.
As soon as the arm dropped. You want to do one more?
So what, you were gone, I guess, whoa! You're like...
I got a better launch on you, big time.
Well, you went before I even started.
Oh, fuck.
All right, guys, so we had an awesome front-wheel drive drag race matchup today.
Yep.
And I'm just going to say what happened. Remember, Rob held the trophy for drag racing so far, and then today we had a whole mishmash of stuff. So, David, what's going on?
I can't take claim. It's all the car. I literally turned on the feature, used the launch control, and it did its job. Quick shifts, the overboost function, it dropped it. It was just perfect. I will say it's interesting that I couldn't just use that repetitively. The car had to cool down, so I took some cool down laps, and even without that, I still managed to do it, but it's still the car. That transmission made a huge difference. Just all those shifts, not having to think about it. I mean, I could have brushed my teeth.
So what you're saying then is actually a really good car for drag racing as far as front-wheel drive goes.
Surprisingly.
And you're also not taking advantage of the fact that you can, you know, brag about your elite drag racing skills, and that's why you beat Rob.
Not yet.
Okay. So, yes, okay. First one, yeah, the Type R, yeah, you need to have some skill to launch that because it is a straight up manual, right? So front wheel drive, so all that weight's moving to the back, so you have to make sure you really got to feather that to keep from the wheel spin.
You need talent.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So the second one, I bogged a bit, and yeah, it was great. The first one, though, I do have to admit that it was a lot of fun where we were going along. I was a little bit in front of you, and we actually had enough time to look at each other and smile and you know,
wave.
it was great. You know,
they're very close.
Very close cars. The third one, though, cheat. That was you. I swear to God, you lost that.
Check the tape.
Check the tape.
Yeah.
So anyway.
We'll have to go to the instant replay for that one, gentlemen.
Yeah.
You'll have to see. Yeah.
Sure.
Well, let's face it. One thing I noticed is the 1-2 shift in the Type R. It's slow. Like it's hard to do a fast 1-2 DCT. So you know, like the lower speed when you're really getting going, this had the advantage for sure at that point. So that was hurting the Type R. You know, I think it's safe to say at top end, the Type R definitely has that little bit of extra pull.
Yes.
I know just from watching the drag race from the outside, like you could see it, right? I'm sure you guys will confirm that.
Yeah, it's got more power.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what it is. But at the end of the day, it was a lot closer than I thought it would be. Like I to be honest, I thought the Type R would just walk away because it's the more powerful car.
Yep.
Right. But that wasn't the case. I think the little N, this is the little N that could and did.
Agree. Yeah.
Very much so. Yeah.
It could.
To be honest, I looked over and I was kind of surprised that you were just sitting there, and I'm like, wow, that's different. I did not expect that either.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was good. So I think that is definitely going to leave us on the edge of our seats until the next episode when we get to check out the other elements of the performance testing, where we can put them through the autocross, which I'm interested to see because they're both very rotatey little hatches.
Yeah.
So that's going to be fun. And we'll see in the full road course how they do. So I guess with that being said, make sure you guys check out next week because we have lots of exciting performance testing coming up, and we can see some more stuff where maybe Rob can beat David at some other driving exercises. We'll find out. Check us out next week, guys.